First open your desired browser. Now copy the download link and paste it to your web browser. Now download the installer package based on your Windows version. Now open your downloads folder and run the installer package. Now go through default installation process. After install open PuTTY software from your programs or desktop shortcut. Enter the IP address of your target Linux server you wish to connect from Windows machine over the network. Make sure port number 22 and connection type SSH are specified in the box. Now click open. If everything is okay, you will be asked to enter the correct username and password. Type your credential details and start accessing your Linux server remotely from the Windows server.
If you liked the video, don't forget to like and share.